Welcome to a very special episode of Padaku Panda. This is just this is one of the first things that we are trying. It's an experiment. It's called Panda Reacts, and today we are reacting to the man, the myth, the legend. You're so
Govinda! Woohoo!
confetti. No, but actually we wanted to do this for a really long time.
Yes, and we have handpicked some. They're not the best. Let me just put a disclaimer out there.
I think you know what, best when it comes to Govinda is sort of relative. So
Yeah, they're not the best scenes that we could find from Govinda movies, but they are definitely up there.
And these are our favorites actually.
Yes, yeah.
Like at least the two of these scenes are my absolute favorites. I would watch them over and over again.
That goes with so many things,
Yeah.
है ना? Yeah, but here we go.
Okay, let's get into
the
it. So the first one
clip.
is from the movie Dhule Raja, which is one of my all-time favorite Govinda movies. Intense movie है but बहुत funny है. Okay, let's get into it.
लेकिन वो अंधा था कौन जो आपके ऊपर गिरा?
मैं कभी कभी आंखें होते हुए भी आदमी अंधा हो जाता है और वही मेरे साथ हुआ।
अयो यही था अम्मा, यही बेबी, यही चली।
बोल पकड़।
तो तुम ही हो जिसने मास्टर जी की टांग तोड़ी है?
मास्टर जी की टांग टूटी सबने देखा, लेकिन मेरा दिल टूटा किसी ने ना देखा।
क्या?
ये लो पर है, बेबी से दूर रहना अम्मा।
बेबी, जब आदमी की टांग टूटती है उसका दिमाग खराब हो जाता है, क्योंकि टांग का डायरेक्ट कनेक्शन दिमाग से होता है।
What?
और हकीकत ये है कि मैं तुमसे दिलो जान से मोहब्बत करता हूँ।
Biology 101.
बेइंतहा इश्क करता हूँ तुमसे।
Man, his
शाहजहां ने मुमताज के लिए एक ताजमहल बनाया था, मैं तुम्हारे लिए 7 ताजमहल बनाऊंगा।
Dude, we should have
अयो
a
इतना मानो
sunglass
किधर से
count.
लाएंगे जी?
हमारे देश में बहुत सारे
sunglass
खान हैं।
change count. Oh my
शाहरुख
God, there's
खान,
more.
सलमान खान, आमिर खान, किसी भी खान से उधार ले लूंगा, मगर ले आऊंगा। और उसके बावजूद भी अगर नहीं मिला
Wow.
तो कागज पर पेंसिल से बनाकर तुझे भेंट कर दूंगा। इधर ला बे, बेबी।
This is so self-aware.
Wait a minute.
Is-
My God, we need to decipher this scene, okay?
And unbox everything. Okay, so firstly, I don't know how he thought of this I'm gonna change sunglasses constantly thing. Impossible.
You know, I feel this was like one of the experimental takes.
Yeah.
Where he's like, you know what? Costume वाले का 4 sunglasses है. मेरे को चारों दे दो, मैं देखता क्या कर सकता है. And then in the end they saw it and they're like, dude, this is fucking awesome.
This
We're
is
keeping
great. This is
for
the
sure.
best take. You clearly not feeling all the others.
So he started from behind the green curtain. By the time he's come ahead, he's already changed 2 sunglasses. For what?
Yeah, and he's just acting like a blind person,
Yeah,
right?
and-
But then why is he?
He's not acting like a blind person. He's just doing it for style.
He's just because he wants to make his
Yeah,
point, like
but
how blind people.
वो style, अरे
It's too deep for me.
no, that's the problem. It's not deep. Just keep your brain aside for a moment.
No,
This is
dude.
awesome.
Like, can you imagine he committed to this bit so hard that he starts the thing with if I was a blind person or whatever.
This
It's
is
just
not-
from that joke where she's like, किस अंधे ने तुम्हें मार दिया?
Yeah, I guess. I don't know. I never.
And he was
dissected this
ready
one.
with his 5 sunglasses.
He says मैं तुम्हारे लिए एक नहीं 7 ताजमहल बनाऊंगा. And then the other, it's a very valid question, dude, but it's so funny as इतना सारा marble कहाँ से लाओगे? Oh wow! And just when you think it can't get better, he's like, इंडिया में कितने सारे खान हैं? आमिर खान,
शाहरुख खान, सलमान खान, मैं इनसे उधार ले लूंगा. मतलब सी ना, it's self-aware comedy.
मैं स्टैंडिंग ओवेशन अगर दे पाता इधर, मैं फिर इसके बाहर चले जाएगा. लेकिन मैं ये सीन को पक्का. The fuck. There is so much happening here. There is, and you know what? I have watched this movie like countless times.
Yeah,
Okay?
yeah.
And I noticed his sunglasses का change only after like the 5th or 6th time.
Yeah, because he does it so smooth it is.
क्यों? Why is it even necessary? But it's so funny.
Oh my god, it's just so much commitment. It's
Govinda
wild.
is just oof. Talent, dude. Sure.
It's seriously it.
This is
It's
so good.
seriously it. Damn.
I don't know if this was improvised or no, but it
feels
sure
improvised.
Feels like, it sure feels
It
like.
feels like it. It's weird to see it, to think about, and a screenplay is written, and then he changes his sunglasses again, and then he changes.
Well, bold of you to assume these movies have screenplays. The others, I feel, for Ravina Tandon in this, the acting he was, please do overacting.
I
and that'd
think
be
that is just the
awesome.
acting cue for all actresses in Govinda movies.
Dude, even
just do extra overacting.
Even the guru who's lying down on the bed has done so much overacting.
Dude,
Those-
while he's lying on the bed, he's like sitting up, almost doing a crunch, and he's like, "इतना marble कहाँ से मिलेगा?"
He's like, but मेरा चेहरा नहीं दिख रहा फ्रेम में.
No, the director must have been like, "You're not seeing."
हाँ,
so
like,
just-
please, sir, थोड़ा your core has to be, sir.
Little stronger. Birju Maharaj, little stronger.
बिरजू महाराज. मैं तो कभी बॉदर ही नहीं किया उसका नाम जानने को. बाप रे.
Clip.
Moving on from that clip was like 30 seconds. And it is just, this is so much
It's a
happening
clip
over there.
that keeps giving.
I know.
Keeps giving.
I know. Okay, so the next one is from Jodi number 1.
Like the part of the trilogy with Hasina Mancha ki Jodi number 1 and Ek aur 11 where Govinda and Sanjay Kumar I was
Sanjay Kumar.
Sanjay Dutt were con men in all these movies. And actually, no, let's just watch the clip.
I know, yeah. Let's get into it first.
जयपा जी मैं इधर हूँ।
ओ यार कमाल करता है तू यार.
It's like
इतना बड़ा टेंशन हो रहा है तू
Tomas
कबोर्ड में बैठा यार. कमाल करता है तू यार.
जयपा जी
जय
कंट्रोल यार कंट्रोल. और मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूँ. और जो कर रहा है ये बम कर रहा है बम. जयपा जी इन लोगों ने मुझे कमोड के ऊपर बिठाकर इस बम के साथ फिक्स कर दिया है. बहुत ही गड़बड़ कर दी है जयपा जी.
But I want to know who came up with this idea.
Of like the weight,
The weight
bomb.
and putting it on a toilet.
जयपा जी मुझे एक लाइफ का लेटेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस हुआ है यार. किसी भी गरीब आदमी को ना कमोड पर नहीं मारना चाहिए. वो चोट उसके दिल पे लग जाती है और वो फिर इस किस्म के बदले लेता है.
They could use a chair.
But
they're like, "Nahi."
there's some reference in it though. Like he says na ki I have just come to know ki I shouldn't have killed a garib man on a pot
On
or
a
whatever.
pot. I don't remember this movie actually to know that reference.
अरे इनको बाद में देख लेंगे. अभी तो उठ यार.
जयपा जी मैं उठ नहीं सकता. मैं उठूंगा तो मैं दुनिया से उठ जाऊंगा. जब तक मैं बैठा हुआ हूं तब तक ये बम बैठा हुआ है. इन्होंने कुछ न्यू स्टाइल का बम जो है ना उसकी इजाद की है. कुछ अजीब ही है. इसके नीचे वेट मशीन रखी हुई है जो मेरे उठने का वेट कर रही है. जैसे मैं उठूंगा मैं दुनिया से उठ जाऊंगा. जयपा जी
So this entire scene from the start feels like improv.
Yeah, dude, honestly, I'm just amazed at all the wordplay they got in there in like minimum number of seconds. Like he's just saying, मैं इसी का wait कर रहा हूँ मेरे weight से. मतलब कुछ भी डाला है उसमें. कुछ भी which feels like improv because of just how the dialogue delivery is, dude.
एक मिनट यार.
अच्छा
मुझे देखने.
एक सजेशन दूं. आप भगवान के लिए कुछ मत करो. मैं नहीं चाहता हूं कि हम लोग बाली उम्र में नहीं.
कंट्रोल यार. कंट्रोल.
नहीं, जय-
कंट्रोल यार.
जय-
मैं
जय
देख
भाजी।
लेता हूँ. हैं? ओके.
आओ.
There's a moment in this scene where Govinda stops talking and he just like he looks at Sanjay Dutt like अरे तू कुछ बोल रहा है. And Sanjay Dutt panics for a moment. He's like control.
It's not even cut. They just rolled and they were like अब जो
हाँ,
होता है
control.
वो फिल्म में होने वाला है. You guys figure it out amongst yourself. He's like waiting. Ramajan, you're supposed to say something.
Control. बेचारा so uncomfortable.
And he's also stopping. ये तो नहीं होना चाहिए कि भगवान के लिए कुछ करना मत. हम बाली उम्र में.
Then ठीक है fine and they continue. That's why it feels like improv, dude. It feels like it's not written. It's just like they got up and they're like हाँ ये scene करना है कर लो कैसे.
विरूपा
हाँ जयपा जी.
यार इतने ताले तोड़े इतने ताले खोले. ये बम की प्रैक्टिस नहीं की यार. इसमें तो 6 वायर है. कौन सा काटूं? विरूपा
जयपा जी हाँ बोलो.
तेरा फेवरेट कलर कौन सा है?
जयपा जी ऐसे तो मेरी जिंदगी बड़ी ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट रही है. लेकिन मेरी जिंदगी में रंगीनियत तब से आई है जब से टीना मेरी लाइफ में आई है. देखो सबसे पहले मैंने उसके लाल लाल होठों पर किस किया था.
करेक्ट.
फिर उसके बाद मैं उसके जब लाल लाल गाल देखता हूँ और माथे पे लाल लाल बिंदिया देखता हूँ तो मुझे उस पर बड़ा प्यार आता है. फिर जब वो लाल ओढ़नी वो पहनती है तो बहुत ही
Basically
सोहनी
करता
लगती
red
है.
one.
मैं चाहता हूँ कि वो लाल
No
ओढ़ना
but
पहन
ऐसे
के
सीधा
मेरे
थोड़ी
साथ
बोल सकते हैं.
और मेरे घर में एक लाल पैदा करे. जयपा जी मेरा मोस्ट फेवरेट कलर आज की डेट में लाल है.
लाल है
हाँ जी लाल.
तो लाल काट दूं.
हाँ आप एक काम करो. आप टीना का नाम लेके ना लाल काट दो.
ठीक है.
Dude, okay.
Arey, but see the scene also, na? Look at this like amazing set that they have. They were like, बहुत बड़ा bathroom बनाएंगे because our camera is not fitting in a small one. अरे पर साइड में क्या डाले सर? हाँ वहाँ पे पौधा लगा
and wash
दो.
basin.
हाँ
And
होता है वो
what?
बाथरूम में.
There's a money plant there, dude, chilling for no reason.
And I think we should also marvel at the amazing art direction. It's falling down.
The
The bomb is falling off the commode.
Yeah, they changed the bomb. Wow.
Fell down. Art person was like, I can't make this again. I'm making another one.
Dude.
Jeez.
And you know what the best part I like about this entire scene is? So Sanjay sits down, he's like, "Kaun sa wire kaatu?" And like, "Aapka favorite color kaun sa hai?" And immediately Govinda changes the expression. Immediately, अरे actually ना, मेरी जिंदगी बहुत black and
मैंने
white है.
पहले उसके लाल लाल होठों को चूमा था.
It is so natural, dude. It feels like, हाँ, ये तो bomb पे बैठेगा तो ऐसे ही बात करेगा 100%.
Dude, I just had a realization. I came to know why they changed the bomb. Because from far, the long shot, they had to make the bomb visible. So they put that white band on it.
Correct.
And then this one doesn't have all the colorful wires.
Yeah,
see?
it doesn't.
And then when you go into it, they're like, now we
Now
can
we'll have
put
to
the one
show.
with the colorful wires.
Damn.
But
feels like.
now I think we are going to move on to what we find is not just funny, but I think this is like a very smart scene, which I feel like should be given the props it deserves.
For sure.
Because
This is actually my favorite all-time Govinda scenes. For sure.
Got it.
So actually, let's get into the scene and then we'll talk about it.
Yes, let's do it.
हाला
आप नहाए नहीं?
सुबह आपने एक बार नहला दिया ना, अब दोबारा नहा के पानी और टाइम क्यों वेस्ट करूं?
अच्छा? नाश्ते का वक्त खत्म हो गया।
डैड, हो सकता है शायद घड़ी आ गई हो।
माइसन, ये भी तो हो सकता है कि घड़ी पीछे हो। उठो।
पापा।
तुमसे ठीक 9 बजे ऑफिस में मुलाकात हो जानी चाहिए।
डैड, डैड, डैड।
This scene is a sort of social commentary also.
Uh-huh.
Because if you notice, 8 बजे वो breakfast खा रहा है.
Yes,
And then Kader Khan is like, 9 o'clock I want to see you in office.
that's true. That's
And
very true.
even they know that in Bombay, there's so much traffic, it takes 1 hour to go everywhere.
Fuck yeah, I didn't
एकदम attention to detail. थोड़ा.
अरे शर्मा जी रेडी है?
Oh, the yellow van.
जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी। Oh my God, कहीं लेट ना हो जाऊं मैं। ईट लाए कि नहीं अब? हाँ हाँ लाइए, दीजिए सर ईट। और आप जल्दी निकलिए, आपको मुझसे पहले पहुंचना है। चलिए 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 चलिए।
क्या scene है ये?
See, they didn't have green screen or anything.
Not.
The eat was for that.
The accelerator.
Okay, but what's your theory on how that entire thing was shot? Now tell me. Because I don't have any theory. I think he just did it. I don't have any theory about this.
One way I think was the car was being towed while he was doing all the internal
That is
shots.
possible. That is possible.
Ah, the fashion again with the pink pants.
How did he do this?
I have no idea. Again, even this is so effortless, dude. He's wearing clothes in a moving car.
He's very, very...
And he's doing it like with a smile and all that. एकदम chill में कर रहा है.
Dude, okay, so he had both his feet on the steering wheel, right? And he was putting on his pants and all.
Pants and socks and all that shit.
They showed
Amazing.
everything. Like, it's not like they cut it. Ki now his pant is on.
Nahin.
Like, they showed everything.
Properly.
Ki, maine, he did like
They
that.
even show that he puts his pant on the towel, so that when they cut it later on,
Continuity.
it,
They even
it
showed
makes
he
sense.
asked Sharma ji for eat to put on the accelerator.
Attention
Did you get
to
your
detail.
eat? Yes, I did. And when you were actually just watching it, even he was like, eat?
Yeah, I didn't remember that part. I'm like, why eat?
Attention to detail.
Dude, ये मेरा सबसे favorite part. Colgate brand integration पहला तो with the toothpaste.
That was actually very smart. Very smart way to do it. It's not like so blatant like Parle-G.
In Abracadabra. Ah, the dipper.
Some time. Good morning, sir. Hello.
सर
What?
बता नहीं सकता था ये तो
I know, just tell him that the towel is still there.
What?
Hey, but now that I think of it, was this done by Mr. Bean also in one of the episodes?
You know what? I do think that it was.
Hai na?
We should find out.
It
and put
sort
it-
of feels like this could be a copy of what Mr. Bean has
That's
done.
true. Mr. Bean did it first.
Hmm.
We're giving the props to Mr. Bean for this, but Govinda did it very well.
But actually, if anyone could emulate Mr. Bean, I think it is
It is Govinda.
Yeah,
You're right. You're
for
right.
sure. ये scene कोई और नहीं कर पाता.
Wow, dude. So basically, we've compared Govinda to Mr. Bean in this, but in our full episode, we compare Govinda to a lot more people like Eddie Murphy
Yeah.
and a bunch of other things that we discuss in our podcast.
Also, we have a theory of how Govinda can come back and give us these 90s gems again. So do watch that episode. You will find the link right here. Also, subscribe to Padaku Panda. We have new episodes out every Friday and new content out every Tuesday. So hit that bell icon so you don't miss it.